did you know that the body needs 3 whole minutes in order to switch over from the flight or fight mode to the relaxation and repair mode? This is because the body pumps out hormones, stress hormones, chemicals, and in flight or fight mode, you're getting adrenaline, noradrenaline, cortisol, and all of those good things that help us get on with the day, perform, achieve, all run away. And it takes 3 minutes for the body to physically switch over from pumping those out into your bloodstream to pumping out the very different stress hormones, relaxation hormones, from the relaxation and repair mode, acetylcholine, for example. So this is why when you do something to slow yourself down and switch over into that mode, whatever it is you do needs to be longer than 3 minutes to allow that switch to happen. You might even notice there's a kind of a bump feeling in your body as it changes gears. Look out for it if you allow yourself to have it. If you don't, come and talk to me. I'm Jackie Frances Walker, the Burnout Queen.